Okay guys, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about Instagram videos, and as you've probably noticed, you might have been scrolling through your page and see some of the videos, some of the reels that pump up the brightness, which happens even without you accessing or fiddling with the actual brightness slider in your control center. So some of the videos just make the brightness go up randomly, and the reason why that happens is because those videos are recorded in HDR, so it is basically high dynamic range. So in case you want to upload the same kind of video which is going to pump up the brightness of other people's devices, you need to do a couple of different things at first. So the video that you're going to record is basically has to be in a format in HDR. So open up the settings like this and scroll down to find the camera settings. So click on camera like this. Just click on camera, and at the top you have the record video settings. So tap on recording videos and scroll down a little bit more. You can find HDR video high efficiency one. So you have to enable it at first. You have a little bit of a pop-up which is going to tell you that this requires a macOS, certain version of macOS to be played in case you want to put it on your computer. You can tap on learn more and it just moves you over to Apple's support page, but you need to make sure that your video is in HDR, and this is the whole point behind it. Now, once you record this type of video, you need to make sure that you, of course, just open up the camera, you record it, do whatever you want with it, and then you edit the video and upload it to Instagram. So this very high quality video is supposed to be uploaded to Instagram like that. But also, even in here, you need to make sure that your Instagram is available to read it, put it this way. So you need to go to your profile, then tap on the multiple lines right here, the hamburger menu. Now click on settings and privacy, if it actually gets you there. So settings and privacy, you need to look up the quality. So literally go in here and start typing quality. It is somewhere in that section. So media quality. So when you click on that, you want to make sure that you upload at highest quality. You can also disable HDR video playback. It is for you when you watch it. So this is what I was referring to, the HDR video playback. If you turn this on, you're not going to see the brightness go up when you watch other people's content in HDR. So it is up to you to decide if you want to have it or not. But when it comes to this, you should upload at highest quality always, and perhaps use even a cellular data, because you might forget and only use the cellular and it's not going to upload the video at its highest quality. So I would recommend you to keep these two toggles turned on and then try it out, see if anything changes when you upload your videos, play around with it, and I believe that you're going to be able to get it to work. You're going to get to the stage where your videos are also going to look very nice and the brightness is going to go up easily on other people's screens. So this is what I wanted to explain to you. Hope you found it easy to understand. If you did not, make sure to leave a comment below. But before we wrap up, I need to show you the Foxtecc educational platform hosted on theschool.com, so you can join it for free. It's going to be linked down below in the description. And this is what it looks like essentially. So you get inside, you have the community, you have the classroom section as well, where there are so many different courses for you to watch. Many of them, basically all of them, are for free except for one, which I'm currently working on. So go ahead and check it out right now. I think you're going to find it very worthwhile. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to Foxtecc, and I'll see you guys later in the future video.